Paris Fashion Week. We're so excited.
Hi, I'm Isha Khanna. I'm from Mumbai, India, here at Graduate Runway. This is Lily, my model. The look is all about women saying no to control and stop telling women what to wear. And basically, there's lips on the dress. The entire dress is constructed out of zippers. The wearer can choose where they want to zip, where they want to unzip, and the dress just asks everyone to shut up.
Hi, I'm Rutvi and this is my whole design. The whole white theme and the embroidery that is over here, I wanted to make it beautiful, and it's just what I wanted, like a fairy and a dreamy dress too.
This is one of my pieces from my final collection, which is called Hide an Heirloom, and it's an avant-garde winter wear collection that replicates textures of animal skin. And I've tried to replicate accents of snake skin, as we can see on these lines, and yeah, that's my collection.
My name is Shreya Prabhu. My concept is called Almost Forever. It's derived by the fact that forever is not an unending future, but it's a collection of present moments. It's inspired by the poem of Emily Dickinson, which is Forever is composed of nows.
I am a fourth year graduate from ISD. This is the final year project, the one of the piece of my collection, and it's about rebellious nature and rebellion, and it's about the stains, and it's about celebrating the chaos.
I think I got a good model too. I'm so happy to have her.
So happy to be modeling for you.
Thank you.
I think I did a pretty good job with that. I hope you liked it too.
I really enjoy being in Paris. People, fashion, and of course I'm super grateful for everybody who supported me.
We've had such a blast.
We have been working on this for a month and we have been doing so many styling, so many experimentation. It's been so fun.
The backstage was quite a hustle with all the styling and end movement changes, but once the model started walking on the ramp, it all made sense. It was all worth it.
And I spoke to so many people, and how every person kind of remembered the look or said some things they liked about it. I wanted to put a concept across, and I think I was able to, so that was the best part. And what better way to showcase than in the city of fashion, which is Paris.
I absolutely just loved every part of the show. The models, everything was perfect, and I couldn't have asked for something better. I'm really grateful, and I hope to come back here again pretty soon, next year probably.